Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is solve the following 11,544 divided by 222. 11,544 divided by 222. Okay? Do this by long division. 11,544 divided by 222. 11 is there and 2 is here. So before 11, 10 is there in 2's table, which is 5 times. So let us check 5, 222 into 5, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry forward, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11, 1 carry forward, 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. So we can take 5, 222 into 5 is 1110. Do that subtraction. 4 minus 0 is 4, 5 minus 1 is 4, 1 minus 1 is 0, 1 minus 1 is 0. Now move this 4 down. Now let us check 2. 222 into 2. So it is 444. 444. Hence 11,544 divided by 222 is 52.